In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Add Member Tag feature in WhatsApp group. First, open WhatsApp and enter any group chat. Tap the group name at the top of the screen to open the group settings. Next, scroll down until you reach the members list. In this section, look for an option called Add Member Tag next to your profile. If you don't see it yet, make sure your WhatsApp app is updated to the latest version, as this feature is being released gradually. Tap Add Member Tag and type the label you want to use. This could be your role, department, or any description that helps others recognize you easily. For example, in this video, I'll enter Video Editor. You'll be able to preview how the tag will appear to other group members. Once you're happy with it, tap Save in the top right corner. Your member tag will now appear under your name and be visible to everyone in the group. Keep in mind that this feature may not be available to all users yet. Member tags are especially useful for work groups, family chats, or any group where knowing each person's role helps keep conversations organized and clear. And that's it. If this video helped you, do not forget to like the video, also subscribe and press the bell icon for more future updates. Thanks for watching.